Welcome to this video dedicated to the analysis of Bollinger Bands, one of the most used indicators in the world of trading. It will be a quick but informative journey, where we will explore if the Bollinger Bands really are the best indicator and share a winning strategy to improve your trading. Ready? Let's begin. What is the Bollinger Bands indicator? Bollinger Bands are a technical indicator created by John Bollinger. They are based on the price volatility of an asset and consist of three lines: the upper band, the lower band, and the simple moving average in the middle. These bands expand or contract based on market volatility. When the price approaches the bands, it could indicate an impending opportunity. Benefits of using Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands offer several benefits. First of all, they help identify periods of high and low volatility, allowing you to make more informed decisions. They can also be used to spot potential trend reversals or breakouts. But are they really the best indicator? While Bollinger Bands are powerful, there is no universal best indicator. It is vital to consider market conditions, confirm signals with other indicators, and use a solid strategy. Bollinger Bands alone could generate false signals, so it is advisable to integrate them with other analyses. Winning strategy. Here is a simple but effective strategy for using Bollinger Bands successfully. 1. Trend identification. First of all, identify the general trend of the market using other tools such as moving averages or trend indicators. 2. Confirming signals. Use Bollinger Bands to identify possible reversal or breakout points. Always confirm these signals with other indicators such as the MACD or RSI. 3. Risk management. Set stop loss and take profit levels based on market volatility. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. 4. Practice and adapt. Practice makes perfect. Test the strategy on demo accounts and adapt it to changing market conditions. Conclusion. Bollinger Bands are certainly a powerful tool for trading, but there is no single best indicator. The key to successful trading is integrating different analyses and developing a solid strategy. Thank you for joining us on this short journey into using Bollinger Bands in trading. See you next time.